Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful granny square. Granny squares are one of my favorite crochet projects. So let us start, shall we? I'm going to use 3.25mm hook size depending on the yarn that you are using. Mine is okay from 2 to 4mm hook size. And now we're going to start by doing a slip knot, placing the yarn this way, and then insert from here and yarn over, and this is my slip knot. I'm going to chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then do a slip stitch in the first chain. Now for the next row I'm going to work what cluster of 2 double crochets. So I'm going to chain 2. This represents the first double crochet, and then another double crochet. I'm going to yarn through the first one and the next, then chain 2, another cluster. I'm going to yarn over, working double crochet but only yarning through the first 2 loops, another double crochet, the first 2 loops. I have 3 loops through all 3 loops, and then chain 2, and this is my cluster of double crochet. Again insert the first 2, and then again the first 2 loops until you have 3 loops on the hook through all 3 loops. Chain 2, one more, now I have 8 cluster. I need another 4. You have 4. I need 8. So work another 4 cluster and come again. I finished all my cluster. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster, chain 1 and cut. And this is my first. Now I'm going to add the color at any of the chain 2 space, and we're going to repeat by working 2 cluster in the chain 2. So again I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, which is a double crochet, and then yarn over, insert inside ball, first 2 loop, and then chain 2, another cluster in the same space, 1, 2, I have 3 loop through all, and then chain 1, and you're going to repeat another 2 cluster in the next 2 chain space. So this is 1, chain 2, another in the same space, then chain 1. So you're going to work 2 cluster of double crochet, 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space between them 2 chain, and then 1 chain between the cluster. So finish the remaining 6 and come again. I finished my last row and I've worked a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster. Now I'm going to add at any of the chain 2 space and you're going to work what? 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. I need another 2. This is from my corner. This is 1, another 2, and then chain 2, another 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to chain 2 in the next space between the cluster. You're not going to work anything between here, the chain 1, the chain 2 only. I'm going to work what? 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then chain 2, and I'm going to repeat this pattern. A corner, you're going to repeat 1 space, you're going to work the corner, which is 3 double crochet, 2 chain 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and in the next you're going to work 5 double crochet. So finish them and come for the next part. I have finished, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and cut. Cut all the previous yarn that you are already worked around them. And then you're going to add the color at any of the corner, where you work 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet. This is the corner. So I'm going to add in the chain 2, and we're going to work again a cluster of 2 double crochet. So let's look at the pattern now. I'm going to chain 2, another double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, another cluster of 2 double crochet. So I'm going to insert here, another one, and then through all 3 loop, chain 3, and now in the chain 2 space I'm going to work what? 1 double crochet, chain 2, I'm going to count the 3rd double crochet, which is the middle, 1, 2, this is the 3rd. I'm going to work a single at the top, then chain 2, another double crochet in the chain 2 space, and chain 3, and this is my pattern. Now the corner, again a cluster of 2 double crochet. This is my first, 3 chain, another, this is 1, and then chain 3, I add 1 double crochet at the chain 2 space, chain 2, a single crochet at the 3rd double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and chain 3, and you're going to repeat one more time what we worked here. So finish and come again. I've worked around all of them. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of my first cluster, chain 1 and cut. Now I'm going to add at any corner and we're going to work 3 chain, which represent 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, and then 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, then a 3 chain, again another 3 double crochet in the same space. Then in the next 3 chain, I'm going to work 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the chain 2, I'm going to work 2 double crochet, and then what am I going to do? I need to work another double crochet here, but only through the first 2 loop, and then another double crochet in the next space, the first 2 loop. I have a 3. This is called double crochet together, and then another 2 double crochet in the same space, and then here the 3 chain, 5 double crochet. And this is my pattern. What you're going to work, it is cool, so I'm going to cut. What you're going to do, in the corner 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. In the 3 chain, 5 double crochet, and then you work 2 double in the chain 2, and then 1 double crochet from both sides together. And this you're going to repeat through all the spaces. So finish them and count for the last row. I worked around all the stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and then chain 1. Now for the next row, it's up to you. If you want a thicker row, you can work 1 double crochet, and in the corner 2 double crochet, 3 chain, 2 double crochet. But for me, I needed a less, so I'm going to work a single crochet here, another here, and the all stitches a single crochet, except the corner I'm going to work 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 single crochet, then 1 single in all the stitches. So finish them and come again. I finished all my stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut. And this is my square. I'm going to fasten this off using a needle, but otherwise this is the square. You can add it on whatever crochet project that you like. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Until the next time, thanks for watching.